with Savory Saul and the fam with Keep on Cooking. Welcome back, guys. I am so excited. And yes, we do have another ball. Oh my goodness. Alright, so without further ado, because I am extremely hungry, our Father whom is in heaven, thank you for the wonderful food you've allowed to be on our dinner table, dear God. Please bless the food, let it be nourishing to our bodies, dear God. And please help anyone that's without or that's in need. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Alright, guys. So you guys know how we do. If you are new here, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to click the subscribe button along with the notification bell button so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. And thank you to all of you newer subscribers as well as you older subscribers. We're so excited and can't say thank you enough. Alright, guys, so as you guys see, I am so hungry here. I have snow crab, I have the spinal lobster tail, peeled shrimp, pink shrimp, and let's take one of these down so that we can get those. Ooh, and I have my corn propping this up. And egg, sausage, and cucumbers. Looking for my lemon in there right here. Try to get everything up here in the center so you guys can see that. So how are you guys doing today? Happy Wednesday. It is hump day. Yes, the middle of the week, guys. Woo! Take that first bite. Oh, let's get them in there, that first bite, y'all. You guys, I have been waiting on this meal. We do also have, I'm dipping the sausage. Ooh, that's a little spicy. We have our garlic herbal butter sauce here too, and lemons. So hopefully you guys got something really good to eat on. Excuse me. Yeah, look at this lobster. I am going right in for it because I have been waiting on this guy. Look at there, y'all. My goodness, I had a taste. So hopefully you guys have something very delicious that you're snacking on or enjoying. Trying to get a good sauce down on there, y'all. Ooh, look at that good onion in there. Some lemon. Take that bite. Yes, I'm gonna let him soak. So, how are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are enjoying approaching the Christmas holiday. Are you guys ready? We are 2 days away. I know a lot of kids are excited. No, I didn't even wipe that off my off my chin. So everybody is getting so excited at the last minute shopping. Have you guys completed all of your Christmas shopping? Or are you still last minute gathering some things? I'm gonna go in with that garlic butter sauce. That is delicious. Seems like it's really that time of the year where Stores are crowded. Even the smallest stores are crowded. People are doing a lot of shopping. It's that time of year. My goodness, y'all. Ooh. I know in certain places they're putting a ban. Well, you still got to quarantine if you go over, like the Virgin Islands. Oh my goodness, y'all. Ooh. Take that bite. I heard them saying you had to. Ooh, that is so good. And I do have some ice cold water here, y'all. It's a spot. But you have to quarantine for 14 days before you can get out and actually enjoy the sun and all of that stuff. I was like, wow. They are very, very strict over in the uh, Virgin Islands, y'all. Look at that guy. Take this bite. I could not wait for this lobster tail, this whole ball. I was so hungry. They're so strict that I had an 18-year-old that from out of state, that is. I don't know how it worked out, but like they sentenced her to 4 months for being locked up or breaking their stay at home rule. And I think they were saying she's not going to be released until like April of next year. Well, I said, wow, I know that has to be hard, but I guess. No, I'm making a mess here. And this sauce is so good. Let's get that corn in there. Ooh. Take that bite. Oh, it's a little spicy, y'all. But I'm assuming now we just have some really, I wouldn't say harsh penalties, but at the cost of breaking the stay-at-home rules. It's really, really sad story, but I'm both fans actually. Ooh, this stuff is hot, y'all. Take that bite. And now she's gonna probably miss the holidays and everything because of, not respecting the stay at home. I'm not sure if they're gonna, because it's just been so all over the news and in the media. I'm not sure if they're gonna actually follow all the way through with it, but it sounds like they are. Ooh. So, woo. That hit one of those taste buds. Yeah. All right, guys. Whew. I got to even bring my trash bowl. But I was looking at the statistics of it, and I think the urgent the Virgin Islands, they only have like 23 deaths, and the total cases are like under 2,000. So comment down below if you think they're going about it the right way and having such a harsh punishment for anybody that's not following what they're saying to do. Mm-hmm. Yes, y'all. I did have to go in that crevice to get that my meat out of there. Let's get one of those clothes. But yeah, I was looking at that. My sweetheart, compared to the numbers everywhere else, it's almost like they have I still feel bad about the situation that kids probably never been in trouble. And kids are gonna sometimes break the rules. I mean, we were kids before. So the punishment is probably to the extent of 4 months of being incarcerated or detained. It's like they are absolutely not playing. And I did not bring my crackers, guys, as I had forgotten my trash bag, and when I got up and got it, I still forgot my crackers. So I want this guy out. Oh, he's a piece of juicy meat. There we go. Yes. Come on out. So yeah, I think that is pretty harsh that she'd have to be in there so long. 4 months. It's 120 days. That seems like a long time. Very, very long time. But I guess they also have to set the tone there that they're not gonna tolerate that I am going in with some of the regular garlic herbal. Ooh, that lemon is right back here, guys. Ooh, take that bite. I'm glad I actually brought both butters because this one is a little bit more spicy, and if you want to kind of cool your palate down, then you can go for the regular garlic butter sauce. Ooh, look at there, y'all. Butter sauce is so good. It just wakes your whole seafood boil up. So let's try this cucumber, y'all, in there. Oh man, take that bite. So refreshing. But I know it would feel extremely bad. And I don't think the reason the team went out was obviously not to them, a valid reason. So unfortunately she got stuck with the 4 months. It was well after the holidays, and now Mm. Y'all, I'm trying to get in this leg. What is going on today? Mm. But wondering if she's. This is such a strenuous punishment, but we thought that. But now it's probably like you're sitting thinking, you're like, don't know if that was really worth going out to miss all of the holidays, the Christmas holiday, the New Year holiday, everything would be pretty much over, and or just to be detained at any point or cost is just terrible. All right, guys, I'm going in with this piece. I've struggled enough. I think it's worth it now. Let me get this piece going. I am hungry for that piece. Yes. My goodness. It's so good. So, what to say? You have to be careful and mindful of that. That we're doing what they're asking us to do so that we don't risk something terrible like that happening. So, what are you guys eating with me today? This sauce is just where it needed to be. Kind of a little hot, but just right, guys. Ooh. Let's get in there. But on another note, thank you to all of you guys that's been bearing with us with the upload schedule because of the holiday and our workloads. You guys are so supportive. Can't say thank you enough. Oh, ooh, this stuff is hot, y'all. My goodness. It's hot, but it is so good. I'm enjoying it. So, I want to say thank you to you guys. You can't say thank you enough, guys. So that's why I try to let it be known that I'm truly thankful for that. Ooh, take that bite. Ooh, this stuff is hot. But it's hot on a good note. It's not that scotching hot where you can't enjoy it. Woo! I think I have a little cut on my finger there. It's burning. From cutting my lemon. So, on a good note, are you guys excited about the holiday? Are you guys ready? Just have happy, safe traveling if you are traveling or already traveled. Happy, safe traveling back. Ooh, guys. Take that bite. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 This is so delicious. Woo, goodness. All right, guys. Woo, the sauce. We added a little bit of the 2 times spicy sauce in there, so that's why it's a little bit more potent. But certainly I'm enjoying it. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh. So, I believe Christmas is just 2 days away. So looking forward to it. It's very, very different this year. So a lot of people are gathering, and some people are doing the Zoom to talk and be with a lot of loved ones. So just a very different Christmas year for all of us. Mm, 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 mm. But we still are looking forward to it. And looking to still enjoy the holiday as much as the best we can. And then a lot of people lost loved ones, so my condolences and prayers go out to anybody that lost someone during this horrible time or has lost someone before. And the Christmas holiday can be a little hard. So now I'm going to come out whole. Absolutely. We would take it. And I do need the cluster part of these for you guys that are new. It's a lot of nooks and crooks, craniums you gotta go in and pick. Mm, 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 mm. And I'm kind of glad I just did the one lobster tail because I felt like I could eat two for some reason. And I'm glad that I only made one for myself because these lobster tails are a pretty good size, and ooh, you can't get full off of them with your sides that you additionally added to your ball. Look at there, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. I definitely wanted to come on here and share this meal with you guys. I know it's been a couple days. My workload has been ooh, something else, and I don't think it's going to slow down until like maybe that first week of January, first of the year. So, as the old saying goes, you get it while the getting is good. So, no complaints here, just really grateful. She'll still be working and enjoying the fruits that it bears. Ooh. So thank God for that. Ooh. You guys, when you pull this in, those pieces there, it's like that sauce kicks back up and you get a whiff of that, which makes everything even hotter still. This is a nice little bag. Let's get those. And these were the last of these snow crab. This batch we had, these were from Sam. And I don't like to get the last of the bag because they often aren't whole. Oh, the guy's not going to come out. Oh. I did bring my scissors though, just in case. We weren't able to get that guy all the way out. So again, thank you guys for bearing with us with the upload time. Hopefully we could get back on schedule here. It's just you guys that do YouTube and work, you know how that can be. So it's really an honor and a privilege to still come on and be able to share the meals with you guys. So I'm really looking forward to this today. And it's the middle of the week, so perfect treat for me. Nice miniature seafood ball. I wanted this guy yesterday and the day before. However, I managed to get out for, I think, an hour and a half, a little earlier. So I said, perfect timing for my seafood ball. Yes, and it was well overdue. So definitely had a taste for it. You know, I've been thinking about those lobster tails. I had a taste for them. My goodness, y'all. So, stuff had me sweating a little bit. Goodness. Whew. I was sweating a little bit. I definitely wanted to. I couldn't wait to enjoy this. I think I'm gonna go in with another claw, y'all. I don't know how that claw meat can be. That sweet, sweet claw meat. So yeah, this guy was overdue, and I was extremely excited about eating this guy. It's a nice size. Just got a broken hole. Just about. Say almost doesn't count. Let's take this piece. Is this not gonna? Not gonna come out whole. Get this piece out. So when he breaks like this, guys, you guys know how we do over here. We'll go ahead and dip that whole piece there. Oh yeah, so it doesn't fall apart in the butter there. Good butter sauce. The lemon juice up there. Oh, squirt the lemon juice the wrong way. Oh, these seafood balls can be messy. Oh, let's get another dip. Take that bite, guys. Guys, and you know how these videos can be. Let's see for a while. Or a little bit longer. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching, commenting, supporting the channel. We can't say thank you enough. And we'll see you guys later with another video. Stay resolving the fam. Deuces.